In Thane.
Yes, in Thane. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, and today we're going to Japan. Never just kidding. We're going to the best Dora cake in Thane. Yes, it will be sweet, tasty, and soft.
Is that why you're wearing the Dora t-shirt?
Yeah.
Who's that?
Doremon.
Okay.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Here, guys.
Go order Doriyaki cakes. No. Ooh, what's that? Yes. Nice. Ready? Say, what do you want to say? Thank you. Oh my gosh.
And Chico and Daddy are playing a game.
Anybody knows what this game is called?
I don't know. Let's check on Google.
Okay.
What's the name of this? Spicy one.
And two Doriyakis.
Okay. So start with onigiri first.
Okay. They're hot. Yes, they're hot.
Dufu.
Ouch, ouch, ouch.
Dufu.
I'm trying the onigiri. Let's see how does it taste like. It's kind of hot.
Except for? It's just like sushi.
Yeah, but it's hot.
Okay, dufu then.
Alright, time for mine to break it.
Can you eat that with chopstick?
Of course. Try to eat this. Ooh.
You need help?
Alright.
How's it?
Give me a
Nice.
bite. Eat this.
How does it taste? Better than sushi or sushi?
They both are sushi.
It's a type of sushi.
Yeah.
Nice?
Yeah. And it's time for our dessert, Doriyaki cakes.
Try it.
Mmm. Good. Let me try.
What does it taste like?
Just like chocolate inside.
Chocolate?
Yes.
With? Pancakes.
Yes, we are pancakes and chocolate.
Did you like it?
Yeah. Mm.
Nice?
So good. What the chocolate tastes like melted Hershey's. Yes, tastes like melted Hershey's.
So final price 90.
You can also get you can come here, and the name of this restaurant is called Katsutori. And you also have books.
Your credit card to load your phone.
Yeah, for anime lovers, it's going to be a paradise.
Yes. And some Dragon Balls in there.
No?
So many things here.
Yes.
You know what, guys? Do not go to Japan. They have also the Doreiyaki right here in India.
In Thane.
Yes, in Thane.
How is it? Enjoying it?
Yeah.
The next day.
Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, and today we're going to be doing our haircut. Right, Chico? Yes! And let's see who's going to be the coolest, me or Chico. Yeah, if you like me, or my dad. If you like me, subscribe and like. If you like Chico, share and comment. Yeah. Let's see who's much better. Support me, guys. Support me. Let's get in the video. Yeah.
You want to say something? From there? Okay.
Alright guys, now we got a haircut. Only one left is our dad. How do you look like our hair? Do you like Chico's or mine? Mine looks like the same. Oh, my dad. Let's see in the comments. Guys, it was so delicious. Onigiri and the donut cakes. And thank you for watching our channel. I hope you like, subscribe and like.